Welcome to this energizing morning practice. Let's fill your day with vitality and purpose. Take a comfortable seat, allowing your spine to be tall yet relaxed. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. As you settle in, take 3 energizing breaths. Breathe in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale through your mouth with a gentle sigh. Feel the morning light touching your skin. With each breath, imagine drawing in pure, golden energy. Now, bring your awareness to your feet. As you inhale, feel them becoming lighter, more alive. Moving up to your legs, feel energy flowing upward like a gentle stream. With your next breath, let this revitalizing energy fill your entire torso, awakening each cell. Now your arms, your shoulders, your neck, becoming energized and light. Finally, feel this brilliant energy reaching the crown of your head, creating a gentle tingling sensation throughout your entire body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine your whole body glowing with vibrant morning energy. Allow yourself to rest in this energized state for a few moments, feeling the vitality flow through your entire being. Gently begin to move your fingers and toes when you're ready, awakening to this new day. Open your eyes, carrying this energized feeling with you. You are ready to embrace all the opportunities this day brings.